Hello, to register an agency on Poppo Live, you first need to create a user account in the app. This is done by downloading the app and signing up to get a Poppo ID, which will be your unique identifier within the platform. Only with your Poppo ID will you be able to access the official registration link and complete the process to start your agency. After registering in the app, copy your user ID. Now you can complete the form to apply as an agent, and you'll find the link in the description of this video. Once you have your Poppo ID, enter it in the corresponding field and select the Get button. This will send a verification code to your user account in the Poppo Live app. Go to the app, copy the code that appears in your Messages menu. This code will only be valid for 3 minutes. Come back here to enter it into the form and complete the registration as an agent. Finish by clicking the Submit button. By doing so, you will become an official agent of the Poppo Live platform. For more information and to learn how to maximize your earnings as an agent on Poppo Live, visit our complete guide on our website. There, you can discover the benefits of being an agent, the commissions you can earn, and the rules and best practices for managing your hosts.